Okay, part 2 of the Epson printer no maintenance tank challenge. Alright, taking the end cap off. There's about 4 screws holding that on, and the lever for the paper in and out. You have to take the end of that lever off, and here, if I can show you. Right, there's a little bit you have to take out which lets the end cap slide off, and that exposes all the workings. Now that's the maintenance tank hole. That's the bit I replaced because that circuit board was worn out, and if you can see there, that's the little metal bits in the sensor. So as you push it in, there's like sprung loaded, and they lift up and touch that circuit board, and then off goes the. Now this is what I wanted to check to see if make sure this was plugged in wherever this goes. So taking the head off exposes, if you go on the cleaning thing, these are the 3 pieces that you have to clean. Don't ask me what they're called. They're slightly different. This was actually filthy. There was actually a big chunk of cloth in there, so this all needs cleaning. Up there is the wiper blade. It's going out of focus. Anyway, that's a whole different subject, cleaning that. Right, but looking at where that cable goes from the maintenance tank, make sure everything's unplugged when you're doing this, by the way. Right, now there's a little inspection hatch on the back here which I opened up. It just so happens, if you can see that white lead running down the back there, that is this lead. Goes down there, goes along there, and it just happens to be right up the other end. Damn. So I'm going to have to lower down and see if I can get the end cap off at the other end to make sure that's plugged in at the other end. All the bumping around getting it up, I just want to check. I've got to check that's plugged in. As you can see, it's all pretty filthy. Now this printer is probably about 20 years old. I printed loads of pictures. I just do canvas pictures that I've painted. I take pictures of them, I print them for people and whatever, just as a sort of little sideline on canvas. But looking at those videos I watch, this needs cleaning. You buy a cleaning fluid, you squirt it on there, and then you soak it off with tissue and clean that blade. And that's all part of the professional cleaning thing. And there's a bit down there where you can't see it in this light, but you can clean there where the print head is down the bottom there. You put tissue in there and you clean that off. So that'll be the next phase if we can get it working. But it's all very delicate. They're going on about things you mustn't touch. Like this is a little ribbon going down there. That tells the printer where the head is all the time. So you've got to be very careful you don't damage any of these things. Anyway, that's just a part 2 video of the end cap off. I'm going to do these little videos in short segments. And if you want to see them in segments, I guess it's easier to subscribe. But you get mixed up with all my other videos. Anyway, there you go. Bye.